So I'm out in the garden this morning and I'm pruning all of my tomatoes to ensure that they have good airflow. And so far, so good. No pests, no aphids or anything. No hornworms have been found on the tomatoes, so I'm happy about that. But I do have this one tomato in the back, my Black Beauty, that seems to be having a hard time right now. So what I think I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to remove her, clean her up a little bit, and I'm going to put her in the seedling house to see if she will recover. So here's the Black Beauty that I took out. There are no insects or anything eating at the roots that I can see. And I'm going to put her in this container right here because I want to bury all of her stem up to about right here. I'm going to get rid of this leaf right here in this one, and I'm going to plant her all the way up to about right here so she can develop some new roots and hopefully she can recover. So I decided to use some mycorrhizal inoculant on the stem and on the roots just to help her get a jump start on developing some new roots. Okay, so our Black Beauty has been replanted. I removed the lower leaves and I cut away some of the damaged leaves. I'm hoping that all the little leaves on here will start to grow larger. So I'm going to put her in the seedling house under some grow lights, and hopefully she will recover. After all of the pruning I did on my tomato plants today, I came away with quite a few suckers. On my spoon tomato, I have 6. My pineapple, I have 1. My black strawberry, I have 2. And my big rainbow, I have 3. So we are going to put these in our seedling house and hopefully they will root up.